Financial freedom is a term that we hear a lot these days. Different people arrive at various definitions. Some argue that it is about being able to buy what you want when you want, having no debt, supporting yourself, or simply being wealthy. Unfortunately, these are only hazy and half-baked responses. Though we spend a lot of time talking about it and how we can achieve financial freedom, the truth is that we have no idea what it means. And if we don't have a clear idea about our goal, how can we ever reach there? In this video, we discuss financial freedom and habits you need to adopt to achieve it. But before that, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Financial Synergy. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of every upload. We've all felt that sinking feeling in our stomach when we see the bill for an unexpected car repair. What are we going to do to pay for it? But what if a car repair was only a minor annoyance? Instead of being concerned, you pay the bill without hesitation. You've completely forgotten about it a week later. That's how little impact it has on your financial situation. It's not a life-threatening situation, it's barely a blip. Instead of panicking and relying on the government the next time a pandemic or recession strikes and you miss a monthly paycheck, you now have a safety net. You can concentrate on the other inconveniences of the crisis rather than where your family's next meal will come from. Do you have a sense of relief? That's how it feels to be financially free. Paying for a car repair without stress is only one aspect of the equation. It's more than just being able to cover unexpected expenses. It's knowing you don't have to worry about retirement because you've been investing consistently with your financial advisor for decades. It is the freedom to leave your job to pursue your passion, even if it means earning less money. Financial freedom entails making life decisions without being overly concerned about the financial consequences because you are financially prepared. You have control over your finances rather than being controlled by them. The road to financial independence is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and financial freedom does not absolve you of the responsibility of managing your money wisely. Quite the contrary. Complete financial control is the result of hard work, sacrifice, and time. And all of that hard work was well worth it. Are you ready to discover how to create a life of financial independence for yourself and your family? Begin by defining what financial freedom means to you. What does financial independence imply for you? Personal financial freedom is required. Dream big and be specific about your objectives. What does financial freedom mean to you? It could look something like this. Freedom to pursue a career you enjoy without fear of financial repercussions. Freedom to take an international trip every year without breaking the bank. Freedom to pay cash for a new ski boat. Freedom to respond to the needs of others with extravagant generosity. And freedom to retire a decade early. You have options when you have financial freedom. For example, you don't have to worry about whether your bank account can handle replacing your water heater or purchasing groceries for a single mother who has recently lost her job. That may appear to be too good to be true, but you can do it. Here are some habits you should adopt if you want to start your journey to financial freedom. Before we go ahead and discuss these habits, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Many people want to achieve financial independence. It generally entails having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family, as well as growing a nest egg that'll allow you to retire or pursue the career of your choice without being constrained by the need to earn a certain amount each year. Unfortunately, far too many people do not succeed. They're burdened by mounting debt, financial emergencies, unexpected events such as a hurricane or earthquake, or a pandemic that upend plans and reveal previously unseen gaps in their safety nets. Trouble happens to almost everyone, but these 12 habits can help you get back on track. Number 1. Establish life objectives. What does financial independence mean to you? A desire for it is too broad a goal. Instead, be more specific. Make a list of how much money you should have in your bank account, the lifestyle you want, and when you want to achieve it. The more specific your goals, the more likely you are to achieve them. Then, working backward from your current age, set financial milestones at regular intervals. Write everything down neatly and place the goal sheet at the top of your financial binder. Number 2. Create a budget. Making and sticking to a monthly household budget is the best way to ensure that all bills are paid and savings are on track. It's also a routine that reinforces your goals and strengthens your resolve in the face of temptation to splurge. Number 3. Completely pay off credit cards. Credit cards and other high-interest consumer loans are detrimental to wealth creation. Instead, make it a habit to pay off the entire balance every month. Student loans, mortgages, and other similar loans typically have much lower interest rates, so repaying them is not an urgent matter. However, paying on time is important and will help you build a good credit rating. Number 4. Set up automatic savings. First and foremost, pay yourself. Enroll in your company's retirement plan and take advantage of any matching contribution benefits. It's also a good idea to set up an automatic withdrawal for an emergency fund that can be used for unexpected expenses, as well as an automatic contribution to a brokerage account or something similar. Ideally, the money should be withdrawn on the same day you receive your paycheck, so it never even comes into contact with your hands, avoiding temptation completely. Keep in mind, however, that the recommended amount to save is hotly debated. In some cases, the viability of such a fund may be called into question. Number 5. Begin investing right away. People may question this in bad stock markets, but historically there has been no better way to grow your money than investing. Compound interest will help it grow exponentially over time, but it'll take a long time to achieve meaningful growth. So don't try to be a stock picker or convince yourself that you can be the next Warren Buffett. There can only be one. Instead, open an online brokerage account that allows you to easily learn how to invest, build a manageable portfolio, and make automatic weekly or monthly contributions to it. To assist you in getting started, we've ranked the best online brokers for beginners. Number 6. Be wary of your credit. When you buy a new car or refinance a mortgage, the interest rate you are offered is determined by your credit score. It also affects seemingly unrelated things like car insurance and life insurance premiums. The reasoning is that someone reckless with their money is also likely to be reckless with other aspects of their life, such as driving and drinking. This is why obtaining a credit report at regular intervals is crucial to ensure that no erroneous black markets are tarnishing your reputation. To further protect your information, you should look into one of the best credit monitoring services. Number 7. Bargain. Many Americans are hesitant to bargain for goods and services, fearing that they will appear cheap. However, if you can overcome this cultural barrier, you could save thousands of dollars each year. Small businesses, in particular, are more amenable to bargaining, and buying in bulk or repeat business can lead to substantial savings. Number 8. Ongoing education. Each year, review all applicable changes in tax laws to ensure that all adjustments and deductions are maximized. In addition, keep up with financial news and stock market developments, and don't be afraid to adjust your investment portfolio accordingly. Knowledge is also your best defense against those who prey on inexperienced investors to make a quick buck. Number 9. Correct maintenance. Taking care of one's property extends the life of everything from cars and lawnmowers to shoes and clothing. Because maintenance is a fraction of the cost of replacement, it is an investment that should not be overlooked. Number 10. Live within your means. It is not difficult to master a frugal lifestyle by adopting the mindset of living life to the fullest with less. Indeed, many wealthy people made a habit of living below their means before becoming wealthy. This isn't a challenge to live a minimalist lifestyle or a rallying cry to throw away items you've accumulated over the years. Making small adjustments by distinguishing between what you need and want is a financially beneficial habit to develop. Number 11. Consult with a financial advisor. Once you've amassed a reasonable amount of wealth, whether through liquidation investments or tangible assets that aren't as easily converted to cash, hire a financial advisor to educate you and assist you in making decisions. Number 12. Take good care of yourself. The principle of proper maintenance applies to the body as well. Invest in your health by visiting doctors and dentists regularly, and follow medical advice for any problems you encounter. Many problems can be alleviated or even prevented by making lifestyle changes such as increasing physical activity and eating a healthier diet. Some companies have a limited number of sick days, resulting in a significant loss of income once those days are used up. In addition, obesity and illness raise insurance premiums, and poor health may necessitate an early retirement with a lower monthly income. That's it for today. If you want more financial content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of every upload. This is Financial Synergy, and we will see you in our next video.